Good morning, everyone. I am presenting to you the fisheries quarantine for Philippines. Actually, the issuance of the export permit is already decentralized. The General Santos City can issue export permit. The Zamboanga port can issue export permit. It's only the import permit is still under negotiation because we have the law, Public Act 8550. It's only the central office can issue permit to import of fishery products. So it's under negotiation. Okay, as far as our fisheries quarantine officer is concerned, for General Santos, before we have only 4 quarantine officers. Because of this BNB Yaga, we have now 11 expert quarantine officers assigned in General Santos. And they're assigned to the private ports and also government ports and airports. Before we have only 2 laboratories accredited. Now we have 3. One is situated in the Peaceport, one is operated by DOL Philippines, and the one is operated by BFAR, the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. Now, the fisheries quarantine assigned to do the quarantine fishery laws, rules, and regulation are already trained and the different fishery laws, rules, and regulations, especially on the identifying of endangered species of aquatic products. And also, we increase awareness in ports. Every port we have already assigned a quarantine officer because General Santos has 7 private wharves operating in General Santos City. So every port we have a quarantine officer assigned. Now, our directory of officials are already submitted to the MIDCO. If there's a problem encountered on the fishery quarantine matter, we can just easily be contacted by the MIDCO. Now, I just would like to inform our counterpart from Indonesia that here in General Santos, specifically in Sarangani Bay, Sarangani Province, we'll be having a first voyage coming from Tahuna this coming March 17. They are now bringing goods from